The cargo compartments can be loaded with different types of containers: full-size container, half-size container, or pallet. The forward compartment of the A320 can receive 3 containers or pallets in the aft compartment 4.
Normal cargo loading. To prepare the cargo loading system for operation, you will start by switching on the compartment lights. Lower the 2 manual sill latches and switch the control panel power on. The cargo loading system is now ready to be used, and you can push in the first container. The overrideable sill latches will be pushed downwards by the weight of the container. Move the joystick to the in position when the container is over the lateral power drive unit. At the end of the lateral travel, move the joystick in the longitudinal direction. The longitudinal power drive units are now moving the container to the desired position. When the container has reached its position, release the joystick. You need to lock the container in position by raising the XZ latch. The power drive unit underneath the container is now de-energized. Load the other containers by following the same procedure. The overrideable sill latches move upwards by springs to prevent the container from rolling out again. The lateral power drive unit roller will rise and rotate in the desired direction when the joystick lateral direction command is operated. The longitudinal power drive unit is controlled in the same way. When the last container is loaded, switch off the control panel power, raise the 2 manual sill latches, and switch off the compartment lights. Normal cargo unloading. To prepare the cargo loading system for operation, start by switching on the compartment lights. Lower the 2 manual sill latches. Then switch on the power for the control panel. Operate the sill latch switch to retract the overrideable sill latches and operate the joystick to the out position. To unload the next container, you need to lower the XZ latch to re-energize the power drive unit underneath it. Use the joystick to move the container towards the ball mat area. Operate the sill latch switch again and move the joystick to the out position. Unload the other containers by using the same procedure. When the cargo compartment is empty, switch off the control panel power, raise the 2 manual sill latches, and switch off the compartment lights. Manual cargo loading. To prepare the cargo loading system for manual loading, lower the manual sill latches. Push the container in. The overrideable sill latches are lowered by the weight of the container. When the container is completely moved inwards, the overrideable sill latches secure the container against rolling out again. Push the container to the required position and secure it by raising the XZ latch. Use the same procedure for the next containers. When loading is completed, raise the 2 manual sill latches again. Manual cargo unloading. To prepare the cargo loading system for manual unloading, you need to lower the 2 manual sill latches and operate the sill latch lever to lower the overrideable sill latches. Pull the container out by hand. Note, for safety reasons, you should raise the overrideable sill latches before you unlock the next container. To be able to move the next container, you need to lower the XZ latch. Pull the container towards the cargo door and lower the overrideable sill latches. Use the same procedure until the compartment is empty. When unloading is completed, raise the overrideable sill latches and the 2 manual sill latches again.